Okay, hi everyone who just logged in. Okay, hello. Okay, long time no see. Okay, I hope all of you enjoy your PKP time. But we don't forget our lesson. So I hope you just stay happy, stay healthy. Okay. So today we are going to learn on chapter 4, the periodic table of elements. Okay, page 78. Okay, 5 minutes more, we will start our lesson. So now please prepare your textbook, your notebook, okay? There are certain important notes that you need to copy. Okay, but never mind if you didn't have time or maybe some of you didn't online now. Okay, I will upload this lesson on my YouTube channel. Okay, I will inform my YouTube channel in the Google Classroom. Okay, for the link. Directly you can click the link, my YouTube link, and then you can watch this video anytime. Okay, and then please, if you have any question after the lesson, okay, you can WhatsApp me anytime. Okay, I will not directly answer your questions from online class because we need to use our 1 hour time online class very tight. Means I will go through by 1 hour for every important notes for today. Okay, so you must ready. Okay, do you hear my voice clearly? Now you can respond in the chatting here. Okay. Okay, now only 18 people. Okay, since we have holiday this year, so Form 4, even you are in holiday mode, but the e-discipline is still going on. Means if you didn't attend this online class, okay, let's say you have a reason, you must WhatsApp me. Okay, I already share my phone number in the Google Classroom, so you can WhatsApp me. You must tell me the reason why you cannot attend today's online class. Okay, if you are not attend this online class or you are not WhatsApp me, means you are invisible. Okay, you just are silent. Okay, so I just add that you ponteng lah. I will demerit 5 minute. 5 minute lah. 5 marks. 5 marks for e-discipline. Okay. Okay, so now already 3 p.m. So far 24 people. I will take the attendance first. Okay, it's not easy to make an online class because I need the strong internet connection and all of you also. But never mind, I'll try my best. Okay. Okay, so let's start now. Please prepare your textbook and notebook. Okay, because there are some important notes that you need to jot down. Okay. Okay. So if you have any problem with the slides or you cannot hear my voice or you can see clearly, you can respond in the chat there, chatting site for Google Meet there. Okay, but just now I can see some of you respond to me. So I think there are no problem anymore. Okay, so chapter 4, the periodic table of elements. So you already done your mind map. Okay, some of you done your mind map very detailed. It's very good. You have your detailed mind map, but some of you are very simple mind map. I mean, you just copy from the textbook, the mind map from textbook. But never mind. At least you have general knowledge, general information about periodic table of elements. Okay, let's go through one by one. Okay, so from your textbook, okay, the keywords that you need to know is periodic table of elements. Of course, you need to know the groups. Okay, what is groups? Okay, what is period? Noble gases. Okay, noble gases is group 18. Okay, so noble gases group 18. Alkali metals group 1. Okay, halogens group 17. Okay, metalloids. Okay, in the period 3. Okay, we will learn only period 3. Then transition elements. Okay, so this one only we cover. Okay, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7. Okay, so other elements then group 18, group 1, group 17, period 3, and transition elements, we don't have to go through very detail. Only in our textbook, we are that will going out means coming out in the examination for SPM next year. Okay. So any answers, any words, keywords, we must refer to the textbook because you are the new chapter, a new KSSM, a new syllabus for your batch. Okay, so we need to go through our textbook 100%. Okay. Okay, so of course we need to know the development of the periodic table of elements, who invent the periodic table. Okay, actually you don't need to memorize all of the scientists because sometimes the questions only will come out in paper 1, means the question A, B, C, D. You need to know the name and then what are their contribution. Okay, let's say the question give you, okay, who suggests that periodic table based on gas, non-metal, and metal oxides. Okay, so if you have A, B, C, D, A, you say, oh, Antoine Lavoisier, oh, okay. Yes, he suggests that gaseous matter also. The answer is A, just like that. Okay. For Johann W. Dobirina, okay, they have the keyword here. Relationship between the chemical properties of an element and atomic mass, but only for 3 elements called triad. Okay, so you see the keyword triad, or this is Johann. Okay. Okay, for John Newlands, okay, the keyword is law of octaves. Okay, means he proposed that 7 elements in a row, the chemical and physical properties of the first elements recurred at every 8 element. That's why they call law of octaves. But only confirmed by the first 17 elements only. Okay. Okay. Lothar Meyer plot the graph. This is the keyword. Plot the graph. Okay. Plot the graph. Means he's the first one that succeed to plot the graph using the atomic volume and atomic mass. Okay, so you see the graph, Lothar Meyer. Okay, if the question asks you and then you can see, oh, increasing atomic mass. This one must be Dmitry Mendeleev. Okay. Atomic masses, Mendeleev. M. Remember M. Atomic masses, Mendeleev. Okay. Then of course the last one, this is the latest one we follow until now. Okay, Henry Moseley arranged the elements according to the increasing proton numbers. Okay. So you just focus on the keyword, okay, what are their contribution, and then the name. That's all. Just ignore the year, 1887, 1915. It's not it. Okay, now so the basic principle of arrangement of elements in the periodic table of elements. Okay, so now we follow mostly. Okay, so now proton numbers, ascending order of proton numbers. The same chemical properties are placed in the vertical columns that we call groups and period. Okay, now we look into our periodic table here. Okay, I got this periodic table from Google because the periodic table very easy to see. Okay, here group. Okay, group 1. Okay, group 2, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, vertical column. Okay, we call it vertical column here. I change the color so that you can see. So this one is vertical column going down. So after this we will learn the word going down. We're going to explain for the characteristic going down the group. Okay, down, 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 down the group. So we will explain what happened when every time they going down the group, the size increase or the size decrease. Okay. Then period. Period is the horizontal rows. Okay. Okay. But so we will learn only about period 3. This is period 3. Okay. Start with sodium, magnesium, aluminum. That's why I will ask you to remember the first, second, and third period. Haha, Liber, Bisinovne, Namek, Alcipsklar. Okay, so for the first top 3 periods only we will focus. Okay. Okay, so for your knowledge, only for your Form 4 standard, okay, we just need to know how the group is created. Okay, let's say lithium. Okay, you already learned about electron arrangement, still remember? Okay, electron arrangement. Okay. Okay, if you have valence electron, okay, one. So we call it group 1. Okay. Group 2, okay, electron valence 2, group 2. Okay. But this special case for group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, electron valence 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You need to add 10 more. Okay, 3 plus 10, 13, 4 plus 10, 14, okay, and so on. Okay. Okay, you don't ask me why, because this is the scientific already that proposed by the Mosley. So we just follow. So only for the first 1 and 2 only, no need to plus 10. And then other than that, 13, 14, 15, 18. So how they propose group is just like this. Based on the valence electron. Okay, group based on the valence electron. If period, it based on the number of shells filled with the electron. Okay, how to calculate shell? Okay. Ni chapter 2 lah, kita revise balik chapter 2. Okay. Okay, calculate. 1, 2. Okay, so we have 2 shell, 2, period 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shell, period 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 shell, period 3. So shell, period, valence electron group. Okay, I think there's no problem. Okay, the side note. Okay, maybe some of you want to copy this one, but I think we don't have any much time. But never mind, I will upload these notes in the my YouTube channel. Okay, so you can watch anytime you want, or I will post in Google Classroom. Okay, today we just read together and then you just take note. Okay, very fast. Okay, the side note is. Okay, today we are going to see the trend of the questions in your SPM based on the last year SPM, previous SPM. Okay, they will ask you about the melting point and boiling point. Okay, when you want to explain the melting point and boiling point for group 18, okay, for group 18 has strong van der Waals force. Okay, so when the size of atom increase, the attraction stronger, so more heat energy is required to overcome this force. So this is the pattern how to answer the question. So see the pattern. So you just write down about the size. So size increase. So when the size increase, attraction force stronger. So more heat is required to overcome this force. Okay, if you want to explain about down the group 17, okay, 17 it has intermolecular force because they are molecule, Br2, Cl2, so Br, Cl, Cl, so they are molecule. So the force we call intermolecular force. So when the size atom increase, same with 18 also increase, size increase, but the force different. Okay, the force stronger, intermolecular force stronger, so more heat energy is required to overcome this force. So same with 18. 18, 17, different only about the type of force, attraction force or van der Waals force. This one is intermolecular force. Okay, but for down the group 1, it is special because group 1 have weak metallic bond because it's metal, right? Group 1 is metal, sodium, okay, lithium. Okay, so the size of atom increase, still the same because down the group, all the size atom increase, but the attraction force between atom weaker because weak metallic bond. So less heat energy is required to overcome this force. Okay, this is the pattern of the answer if the question asks you about melting point and boiling point. Okay, and then the special question about reactivity. Okay, if the question asks you about reactivity, okay, let's say group 1. Okay, memang turun kumpulan down the group, all the size become bigger. When the size of atom bigger, okay, so nuclear attraction decrease. Okay, why decrease? Because it's easy to donate electron. So when easy to donate electron, more reactive. Okay, why easy to donate electron? Okay, group 1. Okay, what is the valence electron for group 1? 2.11, 2.8.1, so 1. So 1, between 1 and 7, which one is easy to donate? Of course, you easy to donate 1 electron, right? So they are very reactive when they donate electron. Okay, but for group 17, okay, they are versus tak sama dengan group 1 because group 17, when the size of atom smaller, nuclear attraction increase. Easy to receive electron, more reactive. Okay, so group 17 is 2.7, 2.8.7. Okay, so the valence electron 7, they easy to get or to receive one more electron to become stable. Okay, so when they need one more electron, okay, so to be stable, so they become more reactive. Okay, depends on the size. If the size bigger, okay, so it's not easy to receive electron. Okay. Okay, this is the way how you want to answer. We will go through detail after this. Okay, then the last one, size of atom. Okay, all group down the group number of shell increase. Okay, going down the group number of shell increase. Still remember the circle one. Okay, one shell, two shells, third shell. Okay, increases. So the distance of the valence electron is far away from the nucleus. So nucleus attraction force decreases. Then size of atom increases. Okay, so there are relationship between the number of shell, the distance of the valence electron is far away from the nucleus, so the nuclear attraction become decrease, and then size atom increase. Okay, if period, how we want to explain about the size of the atom, the number of proton increase, electronegativity increase, means the charge inside the nucleus increase. So nuclear attraction force increase, so atomic radius decrease. Okay, so you must differentiate between when you want to explain about the group and the period. Different. Never mind. So after this, I will show to you the example when you want to answer the question. Okay. Okay, let's start with the group 18. Okay, so group 18, okay, is the name, the elements in the 18, okay, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and organoson. Okay. Okay, this is the important keyword also. Always ask you in the SPM, in the exam, why group 18 is known as noble inert gas. Okay, noble gas or inert gas are the same meaning. Is due to valence shell that are fully filled with electrons. Okay, they are fully filled. Okay, what are the maximum number of electron in a shell? Okay, the shell must complete with 8 electron or 2 electron for the first shell. Okay, noble gases have achieved a stable duplet. Okay, let's say helium only 2. So duplet, we call it duplet. special for helium only, duplet, because it has only 2 electron, or octet electron arrangement. Octet means 8, fully filled, 8 electron. So causing the atoms of noble gases do not donate, not accept, not sharing. So semua tak mau. Dia tak ada share, dia satu orang saja. With the atoms of the elements, the atoms of noble gas exist as mono atoms. Dia tak suka sharing. Okay, dia hanya mono atom, satu atom saja. Okay, ini just now yang I explain just now for you, how you want to explain when you see about the melting and boiling point and so on. Okay. Yeah, and explain the physical properties in the examination. Always ask this question. So going down the group, the melting point and boiling point of element increase. Okay. Why? Increase in atomic size. So increase attraction force. So stronger, more heat energy is required to overcome this force. Okay. So actually, this is the pattern. They have the pattern to answer the questions. You just no need to memorize. Kalau tidak, banyak nak baca, kena hafal semua. Okay, so going down, melting point, boiling point increase, atomic size increase, attraction force increase. Okay, stronger, so more heat. Okay. It is the uses of group 18 in daily life. Okay, you can read by your own. Okay. Ini. So this is the homework. Okay, never mind. You just take note first in your notebook. Tak payah salin. No need to copy. I just want you to focus on the question number 4. Because these questions always come up in examination, and then the marks are about 3 marks. Compare the boiling point of helium and argon and then explain. Okay. So of course, when going down the group, we know the size of atom increase. Down the group, the size of atom increase. Okay. So let's say you don't want to write down like this very long. Okay, you just let's say the question asks you, compare the boiling point of helium and argon, explain. Okay, first the size of atoms increase, dot. Okay, 1 mark. Okay, 1 mark. Okay, when going down the group, because the number of electron shell increase. Okay, actually ini pun tak payah tulis. Okay, just say that the size of atom increase. Okay. Okay, because the number of electron shell increase. Okay, shells. You must explain related to shell. Okay, size of atom increase, shell increase. Okay, so the attraction force stronger or increase, more heat energy is needed to overcome the attraction force. Okay, just like that. So 1 mark, 1 mark. Okay, 1 mark, 1 mark here, 1 mark here. So 3 to 4 marks this question you need to explain. So you will not lose your lose your marks here. Okay. Okay, again I repeat, the size of atom increase because the number of field electron shell increase, the attraction force stronger or increase, more heat energy is needed to overcome the force. Okay, so same with my side note just now. Okay, when you want to explain the melting point and boiling point, down the group, the size of atom increase, attraction force between atoms stronger, more heat energy is required to overcome its force. Okay. Okay, just now group 18. Okay, now group 1. Okay, group 1 is made up of lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Okay, known as alkali metals. Okay, actually why alkali metals? Okay, we will know after this. Okay, again, explain the melting and boiling point. So when you have your pattern just now, how to answer the question? Okay, low melting point. Okay, why? Why decrease? Okay, increase in atomic size. Okay, size increase going down the group, but weak attraction force. Metallic bond. Metal, this metal. Group bond is metal. So they have weak attraction force. So less heat energy is required to overcome. Okay. Okay, this is the properties of metals, low density and float on the surface of water. Okay, alkali metals have grey shiny surface at room temperature. Okay, okay. Now this is why we call it alkali. Okay, it will react with water, oxygen, and chlorine gas. Okay, easy to lose one electron. That's why it called with the positive one charge. Atoms that donate one electron will form ion with one plus charge. Okay. One electron only in the valence shell. Okay. So why we call alkali? They have same chemical properties but different reactivity. Okay. You just memorize about lithium, sodium, and potassium only, these three. Okay, then you must memorize this equation. You must memorize. Okay. Okay, you have learned in chapter 3 about how to balance the equation. Okay. Okay, here you can see the solid S, L liquid, AQ equals G gas. Actually, it's not necessary to write down in the examination. Okay. S, L, AQ, G need not necessary. So you just write down the elements only, the chemical equation here. Okay, so you must memorize. Okay, what happened when it burn in oxygen? Okay, white solid is formed. Okay, so lithium with oxygen produce lithium oxide. Okay. Solid metal. Okay, alkaline solution. That's why we call alkali when dissolved in water. Okay, so lithium oxide with water will produce lithium hydroxide. Okay, when burnt in chlorine gas, a white solid. Okay, so reaction of sodium with chlorine gas will produce sodium chloride. Okay. This very famous one, the reactivity. Okay, why just now I told you that the element increase reactivity. Okay, here you see one. Okay, you focus for this photo. You don't need to read. Nanti you pening. Okay, you see the distance between nucleus. Okay, nucleus and the electron valence for every elements. Okay, lithium and lithium nucleus and the electron valence very near, right? Okay, ini further away, sudah jauh sikit. Sudah banyak shell, 1 shell, 2 shell, 3 shell. Okay, sudah jauh lah. Okay, ini lagi jauh. So far away. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 shell. So of course, the further the distance from nucleus to the electron valence, the weaker or the stronger the attraction force. Of course, the weaker. Okay, this one is stronger because very near Okay, ini further away, so become weaker. This one is very weakest, the weakest one lah. Okay, so when the energy is weak, what happened to the outermost electron, the valence electron? Of course, potassium easy to lose one electron because the here is stronger. For the first shell stronger, then second shell weaker, and then weakest. So easy to donate. Okay, That's why down the group reactivity increase. Reactivity means macam happy lah. Dia sangat happy nak donate. Easy to donate. So dia reactive lah. More reactive. Ya, ini tak payah baca nanti pening. So paling senang, okay, why? Down the group, the size of atom increase. Okay, why? The distance of nucleus and electron valence increase. So further away. So weaker attraction force. So easy to donate. Okay, tak apa. Kita tengok homework. Okay, let's say for the question, okay, take note lah, test yourself 4.4. Okay, I want to focus on question C. Okay, arrange the reactivity of elements X, Y, and Z in ascending order. Explain the difference in reactivity. Okay, arrange ascending order mean from lower, okay, from slow reaction means less reactivity to the most reactive. Okay, which one? Okay. Okay, the answer is X, Y, Z. Okay. So metal Z is the most reactive. Okay, you give your answer first, 1 mark. Okay, just now you arrange, right? You arrange 1 mark. Then they ask you which one is the most reactive. Metal Z is the most reactive. Okay, 1 mark. Okay. Ini tak payah tulis pun tak apa. You just choose one. Okay, more reactive. So the reactivity of group 1 metal, okay, going down the group, size increase, easy to donate because the valence electron is further away from the nucleus. Okay. Okay, so same with the notes that I give you earlier just now. Okay, group 1. When the size of atom bigger, increases, nuclear attraction decrease, easy to donate electron, more reactive. Okay, right? Okay, I think we take 5. I will take the attendance again for 5 minutes. Then you take 5. You can go through the notes. Okay, or from your textbook. Okay, now 28 students. Just now only 22. Okay. Siapa ni 6 orang ni? Tadi 22 orang saja pukul 3. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I think we continue again. Okay. So group 17 is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, tennessine. Okay, the name, okay, as long as you know lah. You don't know how to pronounce it correctly, never mind, okay? The most important is you know the symbol F, B, R. This is going to use until you form 5, KATTS. Okay, you must know the name and then the symbol. Okay. Again, melting and boiling point. Okay. So group 17. Okay, here. Molecular. Molecule. So increase in molecular size. So attraction force between molecule. Okay, you can use intermolecular force or attraction force between molecule. Actually, it's the same thing. Okay, attraction force between molecules or intermolecular force. Okay, sama saja. Okay, cuma kalau group 18 dia atom, group 17 dia molecule. Okay. So the melting point and boiling point increase. Okay, why more heat energy is required to overcome the intermolecular forces? Okay, itu saja. Okay, then different colors. Ini ada color lah. Chlorine gas is yellow, bromine reddish brown. Okay, iodine purplish black. Okay, this is an important one. Okay, group 1 just now, ion plus 1. Group 17, ions negative 1. Okay, just now group 1, 1 electron valence. Group 17, 7 electron valence. Okay, so they tend to receive 1 electron to become stable. Okay, so 7 plus 1, 8. 8 is stable, octet. Okay. Then what will happen when they react with water, metals, or alkali? Okay, again, you must remember the equation. Okay. Okay, so when they react with water, acidic solution is formed. This is versus with the group 1. Group 1, they tend to react with water, become alkali, right? Okay, so the halogen will react with water, become acidic. Okay, ni. Hydrochloric acid. Okay, HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay, when react with metal, they become metal halide. So, iron 3 bromide. Okay, halogens react with alkali solution. Okay, metal halide, metal halide, and water will be formed. Okay, so this one, okay, sodium iodide, metal halide, iodide, metal halide, sodium iodide, different name, and water lah. Okay, again reactivity. Okay, reactivity. Okay, we look again the electron valence. Okay, near, further away, ni paling jauh, very far. Okay, so why reactivity decrease? Okay, going down, size increase, size increase. Okay, after size, okay, what happened when the size decrease? The distance, okay, far or near, okay. Okay, when far, okay, the electrons become weaker. The nuclear attraction force become weaker. Okay, so easy to receive electron. Okay, saya bagi homework dulu tengok. Okay. Okay, test yourself 4.5. Okay, we focus on question number 2. Fluorine is very reactive compared to iodine. So the reaction of fluorine with almost all other elements is very vigorous. Vigorous means very reactive, very active. Vigorous means active, very reactive. Why is fluorine more reactive compared to iodine? Okay. So for the first step, mesti explain apa? Size. So going down, size increase. Size increase, electron and nucleus become far away. So electron attraction force become weaker. So less reactivity. Kita tengok macam mana. Okay. Ini tak payahlah panjang-panjang, no need. Okay. Cari punya keyword saja. Okay, so fluorine atom is smaller than the size of iodine atom. Ini dia compare lah. Fluorine atom is smaller than the size of iodine. So you can also write down the going down the group, the atom become bigger. Also can. The most important thing is you know the relationship. Okay, so the nuclear attraction force stronger compared to iodine. The smaller the size, the stronger. Smaller so smaller, they're very dekat, very near. So strong inside the nucleus, very strong. Okay, so fluorine easy to receive an electron compared to iodine. Okay, so when group 17, you must explain based on the receive an electron because they tend to become stable, right? They very crazy to accept someone from outside. They crazy to accept receive an electron. So when the stronger attraction inside the nucleus, easy to tarik to get the another electron. Okay, again the side note. Okay, group 17. Okay. Size smaller, nuclear attraction increase, easy to receive electron, more reactive. Okay. Nampak tak nampak pula. Ni. Okay. Size smaller, attraction increase, receive electron, more reactive. Okay. Okay, there are 2 more elements. Okay, sikit lagi dah nak habis. Okay, so in period 3 so we focus on period 3 only. Okay, sodium, NaMeg, Sipsklar. Okay. Again, ni tak ada melting point dan boiling point. Okay, period tak sama dengan group. Just now group mesti explain melting point, boiling point, and then the reactivity. Okay, but for the period 3, we want to know why the atomic size decrease. Kalau group just now, group going down group, the shell increase, banyak tambah shell. Okay, jadi besar. Okay, but ini atomic size will decrease. Okay, why? Okay, when you want to explain about the period, okay, you must explain that. Okay, increase the charge in the atom nucleus. Okay, proton number atau tulis proton number increase lagi senang. Proton number increase. So when proton number increase, electronegativity increase. So nuclear attraction force increase. Itu saja. Ini kalau untuk why the atomic size decrease. Then you want to know the change of the physical state. Okay, from solid to gas, from left to right, metals, semi-metals and non-metals. Okay, so ini boleh baca sendirilah. Ini biasa you need to know ini saja. Okay, what are the example? Okay, dalam exam selalu tanya awak macam ni. What are the basic oxide example? Okay, so Sodium oxide, magnesium oxide. Okay, which one is the amphoteric oxide? Okay, aluminum oxide. Acidic oxide. Okay, here. Ini dia selalu tanya awak, okay, why we call amphoteric oxide? Okay, group 1, base, alkali metal. Okay, so when dissolved in water, produce alkali. But basic oxide, okay, react with acid. Okay, now aluminum, the amphoteric oxide. Why it called amphoteric property? Because they can react both with acid and also alkali to form salt and water. Okay, so can react both acidic oxide only with acid. Basic means dia akan jadi base alkali lah, alkali base same, basic alkali. Okay, amphoteric means both acid and alkali. Okay. Okay, again homework. Okay, 4.6. Okay, I want you to focus on question. Okay, ni which of element forms an amphoteric oxide? Okay, ingat tadi only aluminium, right? Amphoteric oxide. Then arrange the element ascending order of atomic size. Okay. Ni why smaller size explain. Okay. So question number 3 lah, question number 3. This very famous one. Okay, question number 3. Okay, we go through the answers. Okay, chlorine has smaller atomic size than aluminium. Okay, why? Okay, chlorine on your right side, right? Be group 17, then aluminium. Okay, this is because, okay, ni from left to right. Okay, kalau group tadi kita panggil going down the group. Okay, kalau period 3, left to right or across the period, the number of shell same. Okay, so you don't need to explain the shell. Kalau group, baru you cakap shell, shell increase and so on. But if the period, number of proton. Okay, number of proton increase. Okay, when the number of proton increase, electronegativity increase. Ni dia tak cakap lah. Means nuclear attraction increase. Towards the electronegativity lah. Nuclear attraction will increase and causes the atomic radius decrease. So size of the atom decrease. Okay, saya tahu kamu semua dah sleepy dah. Lagi sikit saja, ada 10 minit lagi. Okay, so just now amphoteric, aluminium. Okay, ni you arrange lah. Okay, this again side note. Okay, last one, yeah. Okay, transition elements. Okay, ini paling senang, tak ada nak ingat reactivity ke melting point ke, tak ada. You just read and then memorize. Okay, dia punya characteristic, solid, shiny surface, very hard compared to group 1 and group 2, high density, high melting points. You need to memorize the special characteristics sahaja. Ni ada 1, 2, 3, 4. Ini semua ada dalam buku teks lah. Okay, they act as catalyst. Okay, dia boleh buat untuk eksperimen. Kalau buat apa-apa eksperimen, dia akan jadi cepat. Faster rate of reaction with the help of the transition elements. Okay, number 2, they have colorful compounds. Okay, and then they have more than one oxidation number. Okay, example here. Okay, oxidation number means charge. Okay, +3, +6, +2, +4. Ini Fe biasa jumpa lah, iron 2, iron 3. So they have more than one. Kalau sodium +1, satu saja. Magnesium Mg2 plus, satu saja. So ini dia ada +2, +3, +1, banyak lah. And number 4, transition element can form complex ion. Okay, ini tak payah memorize. You just need to know saja dia punya karakteristik. Okay, last homework. Tengok dia punya soalan. Okay, 4.7. Okay, ni again, what are the special characteristic? Yang number 4 tadi kan. Ada 4. 4 special characteristics tadi. So you need to memorize which one, and then what are the other characteristics? I just now shiny lah, apa semua kan. Okay. Example of several element used in industry just now. The catalyst used in the industry. Okay. Okay, that's all. Okay, wait. I take again the attendance. Okay. Okay, thanks a lot for attending for today's class. I really appreciate all of you. Okay, since we have 2 months, 2 months PKP. Okay, but I'll try my best to make an online class. Okay. The most important thing is when I give you homework, okay, you must WhatsApp me. Okay. Show to me that you prove to me that you done your homework. Okay, so any question, you can WhatsApp me personally. Okay, and I hope maybe next week tak boleh lah, next week Hari Raya mah. Okay, so sudah mau Hari Raya, sekarang pun masih puasa. Okay, so another 2 weeks lah maybe, we will continue chapter 5. Okay, ionic bond. Okay. Okay. So chapter 3 nak online class tak? Chapter 3 yang ada kira-kira calculation tu. So cikgu ingat kamu sudah tengok video kan yang calculate tu. And then you already WhatsApp me, saya ingat majority of you sudah WhatsApp saya and then show your calculation. And please do the correction. And then if you don't understand, please ask me personally, okay? And then you can ask your friends or your sister or brother that can help you, okay? Because Form 4 chemistry is very basic, so you need to master it. Kalau tidak, next year Form 5 you lagi tak faham how to balance the equation, how to calculate, how to calculate the mole, number of mole, very important. Until Form 5 you will found this chapter. Mole, mass over molar mass, molar volume, volume over molar volume. Okay. So if you think that chapter 3 you need to online class, I will produce to you. I will shoot to you the online class for chapter 3. Okay, so far I will go straightforward. Chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6 until the last chapter. Then we will choose chapter that you don't understand. Okay. Okay, so we need to wait until 2 to 3 minutes. Any response, you can respond here, chat here. Hi, cikgu. Macam ni, okay? Okay, please take care. Tak tahulah bila ini COVID mau habis. Actually, I really miss all of you. Belum bagi ampau lagi. Markah. Lupa. The marks. Markah kamu nak macam mana nak cikgu? Markah ujian 1. You want me to show in the classroom? In the Google Classroom? The marks? I mean the name list lah. The name list with the marks. Okay? Because I already promised to you, I want to give you ampau, and then you want to eat pizza. And then I don't know where's the PKP will end. I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, 355 already. I think that's all for today. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, you can leave the group now. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.